Asheer. Roughly chop 1 medium onion into large pieces. Place the beef into a large pot and add 2 litres of hot water. Add to the pan the chopped onion, 1 tablespoon of pepper paste, a tablespoon of tomato paste, 1 teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of salt, and the pre-soaked wheat after you have drained off the excess water. Stir all the ingredients and continue cooking for about 90 minutes on medium heat until the wheat is soft and swollen and the meat is tender enough to break apart. Then remove from the heat and use a large wooden spoon or mallet to beat the mixture until the meat has completely broken down and makes a smooth paste with the wheat. To serve, melt 4 tablespoons of butter in a small saucepan. Add the walnuts to the melted butter and mix. When the walnuts begin to brown, remove the saucepan from the heat. Place the meat and wheat mixture into a serving dish and pour over the butter and arrange the walnuts. Serve hot immediately. Bon appétit!